Sun exposure. Introduction. Exposure to the sun causes the melanocytes to make more color. Select true or false. Correct. This causes the skin to get darker or tan. Does UV radiation only cause skin damage? Select yes or no. Correct. Sun exposure and UV rays can cause skin and eye damage. It can also suppress the immune system. Skin cancer most often appears after age 50. Does this mean you do not need to worry about sun damage early in life? Select yes or no. Correct. Skin protection should start in childhood to prevent skin cancer later in life. Which level of sun protection factor, or SPF, is recommended to block most of the sun's harmful rays? Choose one of the following options. 1. Less than 10 SPF. 2. 10 to 15 SPF. 3. 30 or higher SPF. Correct. An SPF of 30 or higher blocks most of the sun's harmful rays. Pam was out in the sun for a long time 2 days ago and forgot her sunscreen. Her painful sunburn covers a large portion of her body and her skin is blistered. She has a fever. Should Pam contact her healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Serious sunburns should be looked at by a healthcare provider. Pam should contact her healthcare provider. Thank you for using Explain.